For each polar point, there are 4 ways to name it, depending on whether r is positive or negative and whether theta is positive or negative. To figure out what we're looking at, we need to find our point first. So negative pi over 3. So positive pi over 3 is here. So this must be negative pi over 3. And we want to go 5 units in the opposite direction. So there's our point. So right away, I can see that I could also name this point as 5 2 pi over 3. How else could we name it? Well, let's make the theta positive. So instead of saying that this is negative pi over 3, let's make it a positive 5 pi over 3. And the r would still be negative. So we would have negative 5 pi over 3. And then sometimes the one that I think is the hardest is negative, and we already found it. So now we know we're going to have another one where r is 5. We just have to find the theta, right? Well, not only can we get there in a positive way, we can get there in a negative way, right? So if this is a 2 pi over 3, that's the same as negative 4 pi over 3. Let's look at this next one here. So same thing, I need to find negative 11 pi over 6. So here's positive 11 pi over 6. So this must be negative 11 pi over 6. And we're going 6 units positively. So right away, I see that I could also write that as 6 pi over 6. So I've got both of mine where r is positive. Now I'm going to have to find my r is negative. So if r is negative, I need to be looking at this angle over here, right? So I could do negative 6 positive 7 pi over 6. Or I could figure out what 7 pi over 6 would be as a negative angle, right? And that would be negative 5 pi over 6. So negative 6, negative 5 pi over 6. All right, I hope that helps.